You're broke. Again. Rent is due, bills are piling up, and your fridge is looking like a minimalist's dream, empty. Sound familiar? And there you are, staring at your Chime balance, hoping for a miracle. You've heard about Spot Me, that little financial cushion Chime offers, but yours is stuck at a pathetically low limit. So, the burning question is, how do you actually make that Chime Spot Me limit go up? Let's dive in. First off, let's get real. There's no secret formula. Chime doesn't release a detailed blueprint on how to boost your Spot Me limit. But based on user experiences and Chime's own guidelines, we can make some educated guesses and implement strategies. The holy grail for increasing your Spot Me limit seems to be consistent direct deposits. We're talking about regular, substantial sums hitting your Chime account month after month. The bigger and more consistent, the better. Think of it like building trust with Chime. The more money you consistently bring in, the more they're willing to spot you. Beyond direct deposits, account activity matters. It's like flexing your financial muscle. Use your Chime card regularly, pay bills through the app, and show Chime you're actively managing your money. The more you engage with your account, the better the impression you make. Now, here's a tip that might surprise you: avoid overdrafting. While Spot Me is there to save you from overdraft fees, using it consistently might not be the best strategy for boosting your limit. Chime wants to see that you can manage your money responsibly. So, try to avoid tapping into Spot Me unless it's absolutely necessary. Another factor to consider is your overall financial health. While Chime doesn't publicly disclose specific criteria, it's reasonable to assume that a strong financial profile, good credit, low debt-to-income ratio, and a history of responsible financial behavior could positively influence your Spot Me limit. Let's talk about patience. Increasing your Spot Me limit isn't an overnight process. It's a gradual climb. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Consistency is key. Keep making those direct deposits, keep using your Chime card, and keep your financial house in order. A word of caution: don't fall for those guaranteed Spot Me boost schemes. There's no magic trick or hidden hack. Focus on building a solid financial foundation instead of chasing quick fixes. To sum it up, increasing your Chime Spot Me limit is about establishing trust and demonstrating responsible financial behavior. Consistent direct deposits, regular account activity, and overall financial health are key factors. Remember, it's a gradual process. Be patient, persistent, and financially responsible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.